Hello everyone. Today we are going to be finding out how to multiply numbers that have zeros at the end of each other. So basically what you have to do is multiply the numbers without the zeros normally, and then you have to add the zeros at the end. So basically, for example here, you have to find the product. You have to multiply 503. So first you have to multiply 5 and 3 normally. That would give you 15. And there are two zeros in this entire equation. So there's going to be two zeros. That would give you 1500 as your answer. Let's move on to the next question. So for this question, you have to find the product of 50 times 40. So just get rid of all the zeros and multiply 5 times 4 normally. That would give you 20. And then there are two zeros in this entire equation. 1, 2. So you just add two zeros to the end of 20. And that gives you 2000 as your answer. Let's move on to the last question. So for the last question, we have to find the product of 300 times 40. So just do what we did before. Multiply 3 and 4 normally, like there's no zeros at the end. That gives you 12. And there are 1, 2, 3 zeros in this entire this entire equation. So you have to add 3 zeros to the end of 12. And that gives you 12,000 as your answer. And that's basically how you multiply numbers with zeros in them. Zeros at the end of them. Alright everyone, that is all for today. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I will see you in the next one. Bye!